Welcome back my friends. We are going to make tutorials on ignition advance. Now advanced ignition was very difficult and there are many things in the ignition we don't use now because it is very difficult for a new one to use it. So now we are going to use ignition advance on and which is called the perspective session launcher. So first of all we view my projects. Now we have two projects. What is ignition perspective? Ignition perspective is basically an advanced web-based operations, web-based HMI for use to control your HMI or machine or industrial network, industrial management and your HMI and many functions on your web page. You can buy a domain on your IP and use it easily. So we are going to launch instance INC and we view not found because we do not create a web based and we do not create a perspective screens for web based version. The perspective is also usually login from your mobile from anywhere in the world by using you can use your login password to secure it and it is very helpful because the perspective is an advance which is web based and it is uh, it is not completed by the ignition Scada because the perspective many tools are not in perspectives of ignition Scada but ignition is a very powerful very best Scada software in the future and now because of its many functionalities and many tools and many add-ons. So first of all we are going to see what we need for perspective. First of all, perspective is easily designed and easily used in your PC, which is your work and your web server. But you need to use perspective by getting your gateway setting. You need to set your gateway setting and use URL and because it is web based so we need to setting up web based. You can see we want ignition want SSL and TLS certificate for using web based by you where anywhere in the world you just type an email address type an website and easily operate your web based perspective of your ignition. And I am discussing many more things of in ignition. So first of all, we are now going to second on say our second option, and that is email setting. You easily set a new email settings by filling this username, password, these things to get an email for your ignition. Now you are set see the alarming the connection. First of all, it is ignition rule because ignitions only connect only Ethernet PLCs, not those who have Modbus connections or RS-232, 485 because ignition only supports Ethernet now and first of all you need to connect first PLC to second PLC through Modbus or any other uh, uh, network, any other communication, then you connect your first PLC to ignition. So first of all, there is why I am showing you alarming, and these are the generals, alarming generals for your alarming events. And now I am going to see your generals notification. If you want any notification on your mobile or any other thing, you just create a pipeline for your alarm, and you need one simple one-way email notification, SMS notification on your mobile, and simply an email. So that is Ignition. Ignitions have many more tools. You can see OPC connections. You can add any OPC without means if you connect to your Logix RS Logix PLC OPC, it can connect any other OPC server you want to connect. So that is only Ignition perspectives and its more functions. You can add more modules. You can see here are only trail module, but there are many modules you can use in Ignition for many more, many, many MQTT and many more things. Now we are going to, I am showing you Ignition's perspectives, how to set up it. I am going to show you our Ignition perspective. Not to set up, we are going to set up in next video. But in this video, I am going to show you Ignition's perspective. First of all, I check what is my IP. It's 101. So my Ignition is not open. Then I am going to delete it. Manage, not manage. I am going to delete it and add a designer. New IP select. Select a gateway. Launch it. It is now going to launch. Now my Ignition is launching and it is connecting to my Ignition, and now it is connecting. We are going to discuss many more things. You can see home status. These are the status screen which is showing many more things. Device, OPC connection, perspective section, Vision client, storage, designer sessions, database, home. It is home. You can see Vision client launcher. View a perspective. So first of all, I am going to create a perspective. You can see my Siemens project is ready. Now my Ignition is going to start. What happened? Now it's start. I am going to enter a password. It is correct or not, I don't know. Maybe I made a mistake. Again password. Then I am going to log in. It is launching now. First of all, I create service. Oh, and now it is going to launch. So demand my Siemens. My Ignition launcher is ready. Oh, my movie is now download. I am going to only cut and paste it. Just cut and paste my movies. It is starting. Why it takes time? So I don't know. You can see perspective module. It is starting perspective. Here is Ignition. Here is you can see a perspective. You can see session events, views, styles. Just create a view. How I create a view? Yeah, new view. And we are going to select a coordinate. Okay, coordinate view. And you can see a URL. So I create a coordinate. Simply paste. You can see there are only, it is only a perspective mode, perspective tools. So where is the button? Here is the button. It is only script because in perspective we only scripting a button. First of all, time on click and you see navigation. we need a view, no, new views, and name it new, and coordinate grid, and I'm going to my first view, and events on what happens, no, events on click, navigation, view, and my view is protected. First of all, I'm going to show you these things later, but I don't know, but I'm going to create it. So first of all, thank you. In the next section, I'm going to show you how you use perspective tools in Ignition. Now I'm going to just demonstrate you. You can see view and view my Siemens. So maybe I can launch it. I just don't save it. I think save it. My perspective is saved. This project is here. You can see a button. So it is our perspective. And thank you very much for seeing my tutorials. And in the next sessions, I am going to show you many tools using in perspective and how a web-based web-based perspective ignition used, and